Hello, my name is Jesse Lacombe. I am a Senior Tech Marketing Engineer in the Edge Business Unit here at Dell Technologies. Today, I would like to take a few minutes to talk about our native Edge platform. With it, you can manage your Edge estate. At its core, it's comprised of two elements. The first is a software orchestration layer that can easily deploy and orchestrate your Edge applications at scale. The second is a fleet management functionality of the native Edge-enabled devices. This is where our applications live. In this video, we'll focus on lifecycle management by providing a demonstration of the upgrade process of one of our native Edge-enabled devices using the new Native Edge Orchestrator. Before I go into the Native Edge-enabled device upgrade process, let me share some detail on the environment that I'm working from today. With Native Edge, you can deploy your orchestrator anywhere that a Kubernetes cluster is present. You can choose to install the orchestrator in a virtual machine or on a bare metal server. In our environment, we're deployed on a VxRail cluster in the form of an Ubuntu virtual machine. This VM houses the Kubernetes cluster, and it allows us to run our Native Edge orchestrator. In this release, the Native Edge orchestrator will be able to support the R660, R760, and XR4000 servers. We support both the Edge Gateway 5200 and 3200, as well as the Optiplex XE4 SFF. Note that additional hardware will be supported in future releases. For this demo, we are using two compute sleds from our super compact XR4000 server line. For the Native Edge-enabled device, we'll focus on the R660, which is already connected to our Native Edge orchestrator. We'll perform an upgrade of the Native Edge-enabled R660. The R660 is connected to our Native Edge orchestrator via a network switch. However, you won't be limited to switch-based connectivity, as the Native Edge-enabled devices can be located anywhere in the world as long as they have network connectivity back to their orchestrator. Once you've connected the Native Edge-enabled devices, the Native Edge orchestrator takes it from there. Let me expand on our approach to lifecycle management for our Native Edge-enabled devices. As the Native Edge orchestrator matures, administrators will have to perform lifecycle management tasks on their Native Edge-enabled devices. As time moves forward, things like new features, firmware, security patches, these things may require an OS upgrade for the device. Well, Native Edge Orchestrator has you covered. We have designed a simplified process for updating all Native Edge-enabled devices. The first step is to download the software bundle from the Dell product support page for the Native Edge-enabled device. Once you have obtained the correct image for your device, you must upload these files to the Native Edge orchestrator. Once staged there, the upgrade process is easy and it only requires a few clicks. And best of all, you can preserve the already deployed applications. But remember, the application data will be unavailable while we upgrade this device. There are a few things that you need to consider prior to performing an upgrade. Your Native Edge-enabled device cannot have any jobs running. You must be sure that no application deployments are running, and you need to make sure that the device is not in an onboarding state, and it must have completed any startup processes that remain from either shutdown or reboot. Also, the version of your upgrade bundle must be a higher version than the current OS version of your Native Edge-enabled device. It's very important to understand that any applications that are running a device should be quiesced prior to upgrade. Any applications that have been deployed will be shut down on the device and the data will not be accessible during the upgrade process. Those virtual machines will be shut down gracefully. If the device experiences any kind of failure during the upgrade process, we always recommend that you back up any application data prior to kicking off the upgrade. You must first download the upgrade bundle. This is available on your Dell product support page for the Native Edge-enabled device. There, you'll find all of the appropriate binaries. Download the latest version of the Native Edge-enabled device upgrade bundle. Today, I intend to upgrade from version 1.003 to version 1.004. Now that you have the upgrade bundle copied to your hard drive, we'll simply upload it into the orchestrator bundle repository so that we can perform our upgrade. To start, select the Upload button. Next, browse to the location of your desired upgrade bundle, then select Upload. This might take a few moments. Now that the bundle is in the repository, we can begin. The first step is to navigate to Estate Devices and choose the R660. Then, select More Actions, and then choose Upgrade. Here, you can choose which version you wish to upgrade to. Let's upgrade from 1.003 to version 1.004. Select the version 1.004 and select Upgrade. As I mentioned prior, if there's a virtual machine running before the upgrade, it'll gracefully be shut down. You will see a confirmation window appear. This is to serve as a warning that the application will be offline during the upgrade process, but don't worry, your virtual machine will be gracefully shut down. Now that we've kicked off our upgrade, there's a few ways that we can view the upgrade process. One way is to navigate to the device and select General Details. We're already here. Towards the bottom, you will notice the device go into maintenance mode. The device will show as online while the device is up and communicating to the NativeEdge orchestrator. Next, the device will show a status of updating. This is when the device is receiving the upgrade bundle files and installing them onto a secondary partition. During this time, you'll probably see the device connection status change between connected or not reachable. This means that our device is actively rebooting during the upgrade process. Another way that you can monitor the progress is to navigate to the monitoring menu. Once you're there, select the job you wish to monitor. Once you've chosen the job, look at the message on the right pane under Job Information to see the upgrade progress details. If there are any errors or failures while attempting an upgrade, the NativeEdge-enabled device will revert to its last good known partition. This will allow for a seamless rollback of the original OS as well as preserve any application-based files should you experience issues during the installation process. To confirm that the device has received the correct upgrade, you can navigate to the device details and then select hardware. If you look into the device properties there, you can confirm that the appropriate operating system has been applied and the BIOS version is correct. It's always a great idea to confirm these details after you perform an upgrade. If you ever run into the scenario where you have to abort the installation process for any reason, you could do so seamlessly. In the property page under More Actions, choose Abort. By performing the abort, you can revert to the last known good partition and application data, then reattempt your upgrade another time. Now that we've completed a successful upgrade of our R660, I would like to share some resources with you. For more NativeEdge resources, please visit dell.com/NativeEdge. Other resources, such as videos like this one, can be found on our InfoHub site. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this upgrade video, and have a great day.